Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to write text in circle shape in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template. In this tutorial, I will use presentation, so I click it. Next, we can add text. We can go to left toolbar, we can find text and add the text box. And we can type write text in circle shape. And then we can select the text and go to effects and go to bottom. We can find curve. And then go to bottom. We can find the setting of curve. We can adjust the curvature to make it circle. Or we can adjust the size. And we can adjust the letter spacing by using advanced settings. And we can adjust it. So this is how we can write text in circle shape in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More videos will share with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video.